Now let's talk a little bit about model design and algorithm selection. Choosing an unsupervised or supervised approach has a lot to do with your end goal. Unsupervised learning is often most useful when your end goal is relatively simple. For example, when you only want to group similar observations, you don't need a lot of detail about each individual observation. To group vehicles into cars, bikes, or buses, you probably don't need the specific car model. Alternatively, say you've been asked to distinguish between different models of cars, like images of a Tesla versus a Toyota Prius. Then you may actually want to go the extra step of labeling your vehicle image data so that you can train a specific classification model. If you have a lot of unlabeled data, you may be wondering, how can I efficiently and accurately label this data? Data labeling is unfortunately a human-intensive task. Ideally, you would want to send your raw images to people who can manually draw bounding boxes around different car models, as recognizing car models is a problem you are solving. You may also think of ways to automate your data labeling task with the help of what is called an active learning model, which is a machine learning model that can learn from human initial annotations. SageMaker combines these two capabilities, or these two approaches, sending the data to real humans and creating an active learning model for future tasks, into one feature called Ground Truth. Ground Truth tries to solve the problem of going from raw data to labeled training data. It allows you to first send some of your data to be labeled by humans. Then, having gotten these initial labels, it trains a machine learning model that learns to automate this labeling task in the future. Overall, this reduces the time and cost to label similar data sets in the future by about 70%.